Right now, ada orang beraya di rumah. You look, that is Abang Hamzah. That's my dad. Sana lelaki tu anaknya. Sering tu anaknya bini-bini lah. Itu anaknya jual. Yang itu topik tu yang lihat sini tadi tu. Ini anak Abang Hamzah. Di sana bini Abang Hamzah lah. Yang belakang ni warna biru ni Mama. Ini Lela. Ini Amy. Tu Abang Bakar. Oops. They found me talking to myself. And then Atu Amma. Look. Back. Wave. Atu Amma. Okay, this is our bilik tamu actually. But we don't have a clock over here. It's actually maybe 9:30 or almost 10 lah. And look, I am drinking coffee because I need to stay awake. Okay, selamat Hari Raya.